Recovering from your broken wrist. Exercises in a cast. This video will guide you through exercises you can do while wearing a cast. For each exercise, move as far as you can without feeling sharp pain. It is normal to feel some discomfort or stretch. Exercise 1. Lift your injured arm up as far as you can, using your uninjured arm to support if needed. Repeat this movement 10 times. Exercise 2. Reach your injured arm behind your back. Repeat this movement 10 times. Exercise 3. Raise your arms and hold your hands behind your head. You can stand up or lie down for this exercise. Repeat this movement 10 times. Exercise 4. With your injured hand, make a fist, then straighten your fingers. Repeat this movement 10 times. Exercise 5. With your injured hand, try to touch your thumb to your small finger. Repeat this movement 10 times.